So for this problem, we looked at the two charts given, and we had to prepare a spreadsheet for the 2015 statement of cash flows, formatting cash flows from operating activities by the indirect method.
Okay, so in order to get the transaction analysis, you would need to look at both sides, and we see that this side would be bigger than 8,000, so you would put it on the debit side. So you would do 36,000 minus 8,000, which is 28,000. So on the debit side, you would put 28,000, and for our bottom part, you'll see that it's switch, whereas this side is bigger. The number 57,000 is bigger than 39,000, so you would put it on the credit side, and you would do minus. So 57,000 minus 39,000, which is 18,000. You always minus on from the bigger number, because you wouldn't want a negative number, because you would want positive numbers. So for this, you'll do the same thing. The side will be bigger, so 91,000 minus 88,000, which is 3,000. And for this part, it's to show you that it's to show you guys, to explain where you'll see how this side is bigger. So that's why we had this the 208,000 minus 80,000, and we kind of split it. So 208,000 minus 80,000 would be 128,000. So 128,000 you minus 109,000 equals 19,000. So just put 109,000, 19,000. It's basically the same. So just to not get you guys confused. And for the bottom part, you just add up all the numbers, and when you see this part, you minus. So that's how you get the number, these two, which is the total asset.
Sorry, so to cover up from what Lily just said, we take the higher number minus the lower number. So for instance, 35,000 minus 26,000, which gives us 9,000 for credit. And for the next one, we take 25,000 minus 20,000, which gives us 5,000. Next, for instance, we take 50,000 minus 14,000, which gives us 36,000. And next, we add up the sums of all of these numbers.
So you would add up all the numbers on the credit, so this is the final answer, and you add up all the debit, and this will be the final answer. To see if you guys had the correct answer, you'll look at the final answer. You'll see that it's identical numbers, which is the same number, and the debit and credit has to be the same. So that's how you know if it's correct or wrong. If you did a calculation wrong, you'll know.